What's going on? Bum to suit here. Come back with another box break. We're doing 2012 showcase. Yes, this will be on YouTube. Yeah. A little pack in there. Should be all hits. I think there's one jersey card. The rest are base. You know, let me get a dummy card out of here because these are clear and I'm gonna need something to show on here. Get a couple of these here. No, we just did one. We just did one. Alright, here we go. First card. First card. Nice. Real low numbered. Going to be numbered 7 of 10. I believe this is going to go to the Titans. Number 7 of 10. Kendall Wright. That's pretty nice for the Titans. Numbered only 10. 7 of 10. Kendall Wright. Let's bust out the jersey card next. Jersey card, very nice. Gonna be for the Cardinals. Jersey card, it's not numbered, but one of my boys, Michael Floyd. I actually worked with him for 3 years. Michael Floyd, jersey card. That's pretty nice. So hit for the Cardinals, hit for the Titans. Next. Some of these you're gonna have to help me out here, because I'm not too sure. Number to 149 is gonna be an autograph of Quentin Coples. Number 101 or 149, Quentin Coples. Pretty nice. That Jets. Somebody sold the Jets too, so there you go. Jets got a hit. Next, going to be number 299, DeVier Posey. DeVier Posey. These are nice looking cards. I don't know what team he's for, but DeVier Posey. Number 299. Next. Next we got an autograph, of course, number 99 of 149, 149 of Stephen Gilmore. I think Stephen or Stephen Gilmore. Yeah, I'm not too sure what of those. I'm not too sure some of these people of what team they're for. So you may guys have to help me out. Posey is the Texans. I don't know. Stephen Gilmore. I don't know who he's for. Stephen Gilmore, the Bills. Somebody saying Bills and Texans. Gilmore's Bills. So Bills getting another hit after a last minute trade out. Next, I know who he's for. Number 149 is for the Colts. 127 and 149. It's not Andrew Luck, but Dwayne Allen. Dwayne Allen. Yeah, he's actually a pretty good tight end for Clemson. He played for. I think this is the last hit. Last hit. Number to 299. 243 at 299. It's Gerald Robinson. Gerald Robinson. So, okay box to showcase. Not the best I've seen, but definitely not the worst either. Pretty good Kendall Wright, number to 10. Gerald Robinson. Kendall Wright, number to 10 was pretty nice. Show that again. It's the red border. Kendall Wright, number to only 10. So there you have it. Come back with the last box of Rookies and Stars. I'm going to suit out.